Welcome to your ultimate weight loss guide for 2026. Whether you're just starting or have been struggling for a while, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to uncover the reasons why you're not losing weight, and more importantly, how you can fix them. So grab a pen and paper, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started on your weight loss journey. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about inconsistent diet habits. You might be eating healthy, but maybe it's only for a few days a week. When you mix up your eating routine, your metabolism can get confused. This inconsistency can make it harder to shed those pounds. A regular, balanced diet keeps your metabolism on track and helps you burn calories efficiently. Even healthy foods like avocados and nuts can be calorie-dense, meaning it's easy to eat more than you should without realizing it. Healthy eating is great, but portion control is just as important. Remember, even healthy fats and protein should be consumed in moderation. Exercise isn't just about burning calories, it also boosts metabolism and helps build muscle. A lack of physical activity can significantly slow down your progress. Even simple activities like walking, stretching, or taking the stairs can help jumpstart your weight loss. Did you know that stress can play a huge role in preventing weight loss? It releases cortisol, a hormone that increases fat storage, especially around your belly. On top of that, stress can trigger emotional eating. Managing your stress is a crucial part of any weight loss plan. Simple practices like yoga, breathing exercises, and getting enough sleep can help lower cortisol levels and improve your chances of success. Sleep is your secret weapon for weight loss. Not getting enough rest messes with your hunger hormones, making you crave unhealthy foods. Combine poor sleep with dehydration, and your metabolism will slow down. Make sure you're getting enough sleep and drinking water throughout the day to help your body burn fat more effectively. Tracking your progress is vital for weight loss success. Whether it's tracking your meals, exercise, or mood, keeping a log helps you stay focused and accountable. When you see your progress, even small improvements can motivate you to keep going. Plateaus happen. It's natural to hit a point where the scale doesn't budge. But don't let that discourage you. Weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Your mindset plays a huge role in overcoming these obstacles. Focus on non-scale victories, like feeling stronger or having more energy. If you found this weight loss guide for 2026 helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more proven health and fitness tips. Liking this video helps support the channel and pushes this content to others who need real weight loss solutions. Share it with friends and family who are struggling with diet, metabolism, stress, or fitness plateaus. Subscribe now for weekly videos on fat loss, healthy habits, mindset, and sustainable results. Hit the bell icon so you never miss expert-backed tips to make 2026 your healthiest year yet.